Introducing the Wuerth LBW 400 fuel injection valve cleaner, an easy-to-operate solution to provide a well-appreciated extra service to your customers.
This system effectively cleans a petrol engine's fuel intake system to ensure that it runs as effectively and economically as possible.
To operate the Wuerth LBW 400, just follow these easy steps. First of all, make sure you wear the appropriate personal protective equipment to avoid any exposure to chemicals. After ensuring that the engine is at operating temperature and switched off, determine the best method for isolating the fuel pump. In this particular case, a fuse was removed. Then locate the fuel inlet line.
Disconnect the fuel line.
Select the appropriate fitting from the kit, which includes all necessary equipment you need to fit almost every engine. Depending on vehicle make and model, the installation will vary slightly.
The fitting needs to be connected to the engine's fuel intake line to connect the LBW 400 system to it.
Make sure the pressure regulator is fully closed before attaching the LBW 400 can to it.
Connect the can by screwing it onto the can adapter. To avoid leakage, make sure it is connected properly.
Insert the system in the can holder provided and hang it from the bonnet.
Now the Wuerth LBW 400 system is ready to be connected to the fuel intake line. Open the regulator valve by screwing the wheel on the pressure regulator. Start the engine, which now effectively uses the LBW 400 can as its fuel source.
Once the engine is started, adjust to the required fuel pressure, which is commonly around 3 bar. The can is suitable for a single vehicle application.
The LBW 400 aerosol will now remove all traces of oil, grease and carbon residue from the fuel intake system.
As the cleaning fluid is delivered by the vehicle's own injection system, the cleaning progress is targeted toward the components of the engine that will directly benefit.
As a result, the intake valve will be cleaned to achieve and maintain a smooth, idle and consistent delivery of power and torque combined with better fuel economy. While the system is running, it can be left unattended to allow the user to perform other tasks.
The engine will stop automatically after 20 to 25 minutes once the can is empty.
The engine now provides the driver with more usable power and an increased fuel economy.
Disconnect the LBW 400 system from the engine and make sure everything is reconnected.
Wuerth LBW 400 system, the on-car injection valve cleaner which provides tangible results in a few simple steps.